Did you accidentally delete your TikTok account? Don't worry. Here's how to recover it swiftly. Open the TikTok app or visit the website. Click on Login, it's the first step. Choose Use Phone/Email/Username and enter the information you used while signing up. Check your email or SMS for a verification code. Enter it to proceed. Once verified, your account will be restored and you're back in action. Remember to check your profile settings to ensure everything's in order. If you deactivated your account, it's even easier to reactivate. Just log in again. Re-enter your login details as before. The system recognizes your account instantly. Upon logging in, you'll see a welcome back message. Your videos and followers are intact. Explore your feed again and reconnect with your followers. Enjoy creating. Always remember to log out if you're using a shared device. Stay secure. That's it. Your TikTok journey continues. Happy creating!